Are you looking for growth? I believe there are literally 4 stages to change. And let's consider wealth as an example for all the 4 stages. So the first stage is what I consider as ignorance. Now, if you go to ask any person normally walking on the road, if you ask them, what exactly do you want to do in life? What do you want to accomplish? Majority of them will have an answer that I want to do something big. Now, what is that something big? They do not have an answer for that. They know that there is an information available somewhere which will get me to my desired goal, but they don't want to do anything about it. That stage is called as ignorance, where information exists but don't want to do anything about it. For example, I want to earn more money, but I don't want to do anything about it. That is the first stage of ignorance. The second stage is knowledge. Now, this is a stage where you know that information exists and you start looking for it. You start reading books, you start looking at podcasts, you start watching videos, you tend to get the right mentor. That mentor gives you the right information. And this is the stage where you start gaining good amount of information for yourself. Now, when it comes to wealth, you start understanding the knowledge of how to save, how to invest, what exactly is investments all about. This is the process where you understand knowledge. The next stage is called as experience. Now, when you gain this knowledge that is in the second stage, you start implementing that in your real life. And when you start implementing that practically, you start taking action, that is when you start gaining experience. And when you start taking action, that is when you get the desired results. So in terms of wealth, you start understanding the technicalities of savings, investments, spending, the ratio of spending to savings. And when that is done, you start becoming that person who starts earning more money. And that is the process where you start getting results, which is called as experience. The next stage is something which I called as knowing. Now, this is a stage where you repeat an activity so many times, you repeat that particular task so many times, that now you are a master at it. You just know that I am a person who can earn more money. I just know that I am a wealthy person. So this is the stage of mastery where you know that I am that. I literally know how to do it. Let's look at what Vedanta and neuroscience have to say about this concept. Vedanta is one of the schools of Indian philosophy. Now, Vedanta describes these stages into 3 parts. It says that the first stage is Shravanam. Shravanam is where you are getting new information, where you start learning new information and knowledge. And the second stage is Mananam. The Mananam stage is where you start implementing that information. You start implementing that knowledge into your practical life and you start getting results. And the last stage is Nidhi Dhyasanam. Now, what is Nidhi Dhyasanam? It is a stage where you just know that you are that person who can do it. You just know that you are wealthy. You just know that you are fit. You just know that you are good at relationships. That is Nidhi Dhyasanam. Now, what does neuroscience say? Neuroscience describes this entire process as thinking to doing to being. Now, in thinking, you start thinking that, okay, fine, I want to do this. I start acknowledging that I want to do this. Doing is the practical aspect of starting to implement that activity, starting to gain experience. And being is you just know that you are that person who can do it. For example, you want to earn more money. You do not look at earning money. You become wealthy and earning money becomes a byproduct. For example, you want to go ahead and look at fat loss or weight loss. You start looking at becoming fit. That is the personality. And losing weight and losing fats becomes a byproduct. So let us revise the entire concept. The stages were ignorance, knowledge, experience, knowing. Vedanta has it Shravanam, Mananam, Nidhi Dhyasanam. Neuroscience has it thinking to doing to being. I hope you get to know these stages of information and you keep growing and growing in life.